Japan, we have a saying, miso makes doctors unnecessary. That's how deeply miso has supported Japanese everyday life. Welcome to Happy Ikigai Secrets. As a Japanese person, I truly feel proud that we have this quiet superfood. Miso has been part of Japanese life since the Asuka period, over 1,300 years ago. In the Heian era, it was even used as a kind of medicine. Miso supports digestion, nourishes the body, and brings a gentle sense of calm. And, of course, it's delicious. Store-bought miso is wonderful and convenient, but today I want to try making miso myself. Recently, there are simple kits that make miso making approachable, even for beginners. This is my first time making miso. I prefer a slightly sweet, mild flavor, so I use extra rice koji to make white miso. I also chose ingredients made in Japan, one by one, with care. First, soak soybeans in about 3 times their volume of water for 8 to 12 hours. Smooth, glossy soybeans, just looking at them already feels calming. After one night, they've absorbed plenty of water, plump and full. Transfer the beans to a pot, change the water, and begin cooking. Start with high heat, then lower it once boiling. Skim off the foam and simmer for 90 minutes to 2 hours until the beans can be easily crushed with your fingers. Gently loosen the rice koji in a large bowl and mix it with salt. Sterilize your container by boiling it beforehand. While the soybeans are still warm, mash them. A food processor makes this easier. Let the beans cool to about body temperature, then mix thoroughly with the koji. Shape the mixture into small balls, called misodama. Pack the miso balls tightly into the container, pressing firmly to remove air. In Japan, some people even throw them in, to make sure no air remains. Smooth the surface, sprinkle finishing salt on top, and cover tightly with plastic wrap. Place a weight on top and seal the lid. Store it in a cool, dark, well-ventilated place and let it ferment for 6 months to 1 year. This is where miso teaches us something important. Well-being doesn't rush. It deepens quietly over time. My miso should be ready in about 6 months. When it is, I'll make miso soup with it and share that moment with you. Until then, let time do its work. Thank you for watching the video. Give me a big thumbs up and consider subscribing if you don't want to miss any of my new videos. See you again.